guys, it's Kristin with APO Creations. So yeah, so you can see I started and then I realized, oh hey, how about I'm not not filming. So let me kind of start over again. So this mold is the I don't know what they call it. I can't remember. It is from Bondcraftor and it's like a conch shell, but it's yeah, gorgeous. Look, there's a star in there. There's a shell. And then there's just a lot of, I'm not sure what that is. It's got to be some kind of shell or something. And then there's a starfish shell, and I'm not exactly sure what this is. I think it's just like the diamond crystal edge thingy. So what I'm going to try and do is I wanted to paint those and then try and get, I don't know how I'm going to do it. You know, try and get in here with the small brush and get the stars. Oh, I think that's a heart. Yeah, it's a heart. And there's another heart, and then the shell, and then another star. So I'm going to try and get those in there. And then I'm just going to put like a mishmash of the chameleon powders. I'll probably drag out some of my Toonpish crafts, my Tiny Turner ones that I got from Wendy over at Toonpish Crafts. So I'm going to start with doing these on top that I can reach. And then I'm going to probably just fast forward you through the process of me trying to fight to get the ones on the inside. So this one, I used the holographic pink chrome powder from these are all Let's Resin. These ones are the chrome powders, and then these ones are the chameleons. So this one is the holographic pink. I'm going to do the shell in the chrome blue, and the crystal thingy I'm going to do in purple. And then the stuff around the side, so the hearts I'm going to do with, although, you know what, do I have a reddish? I do. So let me take the plum out of there. And I will, for the hearts, I'll do the magenta. And then the other two, the stars and that other shell in there, I'll do with the chameleon blue and the chameleon grape. So I will be fast forwarding you through this so I can get these painted, and then I'm going to just brush on chameleons because I'm going to use my Bondcraftor black epoxy resin. Finally got some. I bought it on Amazon and I can't wait to use it. So I have this Bondcraftor black epoxy resin 1-to-1. It comes with the A and the B. Then it comes with 2 cups, 3 stirring sticks, some, it looks like holographic silver powder, and then 2 sets of gloves. It also comes with these pretty little flowers, and of course the instruction kit. So let me get this. I already have a cup, so let me get this opened and poured. And this is 1-to-1 by volume. So I got 100 of the A. Now I need 100 of the B. I will go mix this up and I will be right back. I've got my resin all mixed up And like I said, I don't know how much this mold holds, but I will say I am very, very proud of myself. I managed to mix this quite slowly, so I shouldn't have that many bubbles. We'll see. Okay. Just going to pour it in slow and then let it kind of seep into those cracks and crevices and then over the edge. And hopefully that will minimize the amount of bubbles that I get. But yeah, I have a few bubbles in there, but nothing, you know, nothing massive. And I do know that, oh, okay, sorry. Oh. And as I was saying, Bondcraftor resin does degas really well. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I won't end up with a bunch of bubbles. And what I think I'm gonna do right now, I'm making a mess already. Oh well. And I put this piece of cling film down so I wouldn't make a mess on this, whatever it is. I don't know, I got it in Germany. I think it's like a scrubby pad type thing. Oh, maybe I did make enough. Maybe I made too much. So I did mix up 200. So let's get this sucker to the top and see how much we have left over. Okay, let's see. Oh, of course, no, I can't see. It looks like I have 70, give or take, 75 maybe. So wow, it didn't take that much at all. Okay, so let me find another mold to put that in and I will be back for demold. It's time to demold and see what we came out with. Well, there's quite a few bubbles. I can see that already. Oh, sorry, I needed my belly. Well, that's pretty. Wow, I like that. I do like the chrome powders. It's so shiny. That is nice. I am totally putting that on my dresser for my jewelry. But yeah, now I have to clean the mold. It's filthy. But yeah, that came out really nice. And like I said, I do have a couple of bubbles. I'll have to fix those. But yeah, all in all, it's not really too bad. And I love the different textures. So this is like druzy, and then this is, I don't know, like pearl edge. And then you've got like gemstone edge, bigger ones. That is pretty cool. I like that. All right, well, let me know what you think of my conch shell trinket dish. If you could do me a favor and subscribe if you're not already. I am trying to get my channel to grow, and it's free, but it does help our YouTube channels. Also, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think of my dish. Hit the like button, please. That's super important too. Put the QR up for the subscription and the buy me a coffee. And I will see you guys for the next one. Have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.